Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, karibu sana, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always clicking to watch my videos. I love you so much and I appreciate your support. So guys, welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, I'm getting ready. I want to head out. I want to go to Ruiru. Okay, I live in Ruiru, but I want to go to the other side of Ruiru. Yes, baby. And just so you know, Gabriel calls me baby. Say hi. So we're getting ready. There is something I want to go and pick. So that's what. And I don't know why I feel kama t-shirt kama katoi. I feel like a t-shirt kanaka katoi.
Avoid.
Do I look like a baby? Wait. That's enough.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way?
Guys, wacheni nifike Ruiru and then I come back. Actually, hata nachukua ndugu hapa niende because I want to go and pick something with them. Nothing else. I'm not doing anything else. I'm going straight where I'm going and coming back straight. Yes. So tupatane later. Bye.
3 hours later.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in this same sky when I'm on the other side.
Kaylee, unatembea aje? Kaylee? Gabriel? Walk properly. Walk properly. Run. Hi. Hi, Kaylee. Hi, Kaylee. Hi, Kaylee.
Hi, Kitty.
Gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in the same sky when I'm on the other side. one.